Hi everyone, have you ever issued a purchase order and then suddenly realize you have no idea whether the supplier actually delivered it? In today's video, I'm going to show you a real use case scenario of how I use my purchase order tracker to monitor deliveries in real time so nothing slips through the crack. I manage over 50 purchase orders every month and I used to lose track of delivery constantly. That's why I built this tracker, and today I will walking you through exactly how I use it with a real example you can copy. Let me show you my workflow for managing purchase order using this tracker, from creating the PO to delivery and payment. Whenever I need to create a PO, I go to the PO template tab. I select the vendor from the drop down. Their details appear automatically because I have already added them to the vendor list here. Then I enter the PO number, PO date, item name, quantity, and price per unit. The amount column calculates automatically and the totals outdates instantly. Once the PO is ready, I export it as a PDF and send it to my vendor. Right after sending the PO, I record it in the PO tracker. For example, let's look at PO 004, which I have created just now. For this PO, I order office desk and stationery. I enter the PO number, PO 004, PO date, select the vendor name from the drop-down list, input the item name, the quantity of the item, unit price, and delivery date. Because the delivery date is recorded, it's very easy to track whether items have arrived. If the delivery date is empty, I instantly know the order is still pending. When the items arrive, I enter the delivered date, so I have a complete delivery record. Next, I enter the invoice number, payment terms, and invoice due date. If the due date passed and the payment hasn't been made, the cell turns red so I don't miss it. When I make a payment, I enter the amount paid into the column of amount paid. The payment status updates automatically to fully paid, partially paid, and unpaid. This gives me a clear real-time view of the payment progress for every PO. I have also created an annual overview tab that summarizes each month's total PO created, items ordered, items delivered, total PO amount, and payment made. With the charts and table, I can easily analyze spending trends and monitor cash flow throughout the year. You can also use the monthly overview to review all POs on a selected month. Just select the month from the drop-down list. Use vendor overview to check purchases from a specific vendor. Just select the vendor name from the drop-down list. Use outstanding payments to see what invoices still haven't been fully made. All of this helps me plan budgets, follow up with vendors, and avoid missing payments. If you are finding this helpful, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more business owners who need it. A purchase order tracker is incredibly useful for monitoring POs, tracking deliveries, managing invoice due date, and ensuring timely payment. If you want to get a copy of this purchase order tracker, check the link in the description or the comment section below. Feel free to leave your suggestion or feedback. I would love to improve this tracker even more. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.